So there are two different ways of folding this point. I'm going to show you the first way in this video, and then the other way in the second video that will be in part 2 of the instructions. So the first thing we do at this end is we fold that down so that this edge here comes along the center, and we fold this like that. All right, and then it's always best to take your bone folder and crease. So the next thing we do is we take this line here and we fold it up to that line there. Like that. And we do the same thing on the other side. And crease and crease. Now, I could use a ruler to do this next step, and you probably should. I'm just going to really lightly score right along that edge. And the same thing on this edge. This isn't exactly necessary, but it makes the next step easier, especially if you're a beginner. Now, this is the magic. You're going to reach in here, just slightly unfold that, and you're going to take this tip, and you may be able to see that's the line that I scored, and we're going to fold along that score and pull this tip out here. Okay, let me do that one more time for you. You're going to reach under here, you're going to take this tip, and you're going to pull it down, and I think of this as making a kite shape. So there's the kite. All right, and I'm going to then take this fold line here and fold that up like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to take that tip, let that pop to the inside, and I am going to pull this down along that scored line that I made. You see I've made another kite. I'm going to fold that up like that. And then what locks it in place by magic is this tip here gets put inside this pocket. Just like that.